Hey everyone, and welcome to or back to my channel. So today I'm back with a super exciting video. Today I'm going to be doing a productive vlog, like getting my life back together. I literally just did a cleaning and decluttering vlog, but somehow my room has gotten really messy once again. So I just thought it would be fun to kind of take you guys along as I clean, run some errands, and just do a whole bunch of productive things. I just want to have a really productive day today. There's just a whole bunch of things on my to-do list that I've kind of been putting off and just like really need to get done. So I just thought I would take you guys along as I kind of get organized, get a bunch of things done, and kind of just like get my life together. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it motivates you to be productive if you need to have like a productive day as well. And definitely thumbs up if you like these types of videos, and if you'd like to see more on my channel. Subscribe if you're not subscribed, turn on the notification bell, follow me on Instagram at emilygrace.26. Comment below the #1 thing on your to-do list right now. Like, what is the #1 thing that you need to get done? Let's just get into the vlog. Currently, I've had a semi-productive morning, but I still have a lot of things I need to get done today. I do actually have a video that I filmed and edited over the weekend that I just need to get kind of like edited and sent in. So that is like one of my #1 priorities today, because it's actually like due for the brand that I'm working with today. So it's like pretty much done. I literally just need to like make a couple like final edits. I have a few errands, kind of like a little list on my phone, and then I'll probably just do some cleaning. So it is a little bit later. I just finished editing the haul I was working on. It's a White Fox summer try on clothing haul. I think it'll be up by the time this video is up. I will link it here if you guys want to check it out. The next thing on my to-do list is actually find a Father's Day gift. I know Father's Day isn't for a little while. I can't even think actually when it is. Actually is in a couple of weeks. I feel like my dad is kind of hard to shop for. If you guys are also struggling to come up with some gift ideas for your dad, grandpa, or any kind of like father figure, I actually have a really good gift idea, and that is StoryWorth. So this is actually my dad in the picture. This is his high school picture. I just think that this is such a good idea. I'm actually partnering with StoryWorth on this video, so thank you so much to StoryWorth for sponsoring. StoryWorth is an online service that helps you and your loved ones connect through sharing stories and memories. It helps preserve them for years to come. Basically how it works, StoryWorth will email your loved one a thought-provoking question of your choice from a vast pool of possible options, and each unique prompt asks questions you've never thought of. Like, if you had to do it all over, what would you do differently? Where's the farthest place you've ever traveled? There's a bunch of different questions. Like, they're literally all so different, and they're things that you really just would not think to ask. You'll really enjoy reading your loved one's answers to those questions. You'll discover stories and memories that you've never heard, and learn new things about stories that you thought you knew. After 1 year, StoryWorth compiles all those questions and stories and answers and memories into a beautiful keepsake book, including photos. So there's a cover photo, and there's also like photos on the inside. You can choose the pictures to upload as well. Your family can share this book for generations. One day my kids can look through this and read it, and so on and so on. So it's really, really special. This is what the book looks like. As you can see, I chose my dad. We drove through his like childhood like hometown one day, and he was talking about all these things that I've like never heard of. I just like wanted to hear more, and it's so fun like reading his responses to the questions and hearing all about like these memories and stories growing up. Just so much fun to like learn more about your loved one. Reading the weekly stories really helps you connect more with your loved one, and you always learn something new. For example, one of the email prompts asked about my dad's prom, which I have literally never heard about or seen any pictures of. So it was so fun reading his response about his like prom day and like his night at prom. I've even shared some of his responses with my mom and my sister because they were just so surprising. I think this would be a really good gift for Father's Day. It is really heartfelt. It takes no time to be delivered, so it's a great last minute gift as well. It's something the whole family can cherish and literally pass on for generations. And like I said, you really can connect more with your loved ones, so you can really learn a lot more about your dad or grandpa or father figure. It really really is the best gift. If you guys want to gift a StoryWorth book for one of your loved ones, go to storyworth.com/EmilyGrace and save $10 off on your first purchase. That is storyworth.com/EmilyGrace and save $10 off on your first purchase. I'm gonna have that linked below at the very top of my description, so you can just click that link. I really think this is such a good gift and it's so heartfelt. I just wanted to share that, especially if you guys are still trying to figure out a good Father's Day gift. Next up on my list, I just need to run a few errands. I need to actually take my car to the car wash, obviously get coffee. I'm like needing some caffeine. I also need to go to the grocery store. I don't really need a ton of stuff. Got my coffee. My coffee is like super good today. Lastly, I'm gonna do a little bit of cleaning. My sheets are washing. I have all these clothes from my White Fox haul that I need to hang up. And I also have all of this stuff that I need to put away, like some clothes I need to hang up and just like a bunch of random stuff. My dresser is a little bit messy. My desk is a little bit messy as well. Just doing a little bit of cleaning. I get all these clothes hung up, do a little bit of dusting. You guys know the drill. I just did a cleaning vlog, so I feel like you guys kind of know my routine at this point. It's a little bit later. My room is looking nice and clean. It feels so much better now that there's not like piles of clothes everywhere and it's not dusty. I didn't do a full deep clean because if you watched like my last video, I had like a full deep clean and declutter, so I was kind of just like quickly picking things up and like wiping the surfaces off because I just deep cleaned everything. It just kind of got like messy. It's not really like dirty, just kind of like messy. But anyways, just kind of like wiped everything down, lit a nice little candle. And I feel like lighting a candle just makes it like smell clean, smell fresh, feel clean. So yeah, now everything just like looks and feels really good, and I feel like I can be much more productive in a clean space. So I'm glad I took the time to do that. Anyways, I think that's all the cleaning I'm gonna do today. I think that's pretty much everything for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely give it a big thumbs up if you did. Definitely make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn on the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram at emilygrace.26. Definitely make sure to check out StoryWorth if you are looking for a good Father's Day gift. I hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely comment below your best productivity tip. If you stayed until this point in the video, comment this emoji. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in a couple days for my next video. Bye.